makeup is so sweet. Wafer face powder, chocolate EOS candy, and a lollipop mirror. Watch these and other sweet ideas in our new video. Redhead is already in the kitchen looking for some food. Dolly shouldn't have left her sweet wafers here. Come here. Huh? Why is Dolly preparing a makeup side dish for the wafers? There's no need for that. They're tasty as is. Shape light clay into an oval. Make imprints on it with a square cap. Copy a wafer pattern. Color the wafer with yellow acrylic paint. Make shades with darker paint. Make 2 wafer halves. Paint a face powder compact in white and attach the wafers to it. Use hot glue to make cream inside the wafers. Paint it white. Paint topping on the wafers with brown acrylic paint. Shape a piece of yellow polymer clay into a piece of butter. Don't bake it. In this way, it will look more realistic. Attach it with multi-purpose glue. A cooking trick is waiting for Redhead. These aren't wafers on the plate, it's face powder. And there is a reason why the other makeup is also here. Dolly is doing a photo shoot for her beauty blog. It's about the sweetest of makeup, so a face powder that looks like wafers will come in handy. She will definitely get a wafer-like. I styled my friend's hair. I think I did my best. It's not surprising that Redhead wants to pay me back with a sweet lollipop. Take light clay of different colors. Roll out white clay to make a twist. Roll out 2 other colors into thin twist, and twist 2 of them together into a rainbow. Add the third one and roll them to make a snail. Make the second piece. Let the clay dry and hot glue a skewer to one detail. Hot glue a round mirror on top and cover it with the other half. Cover the lollipop with clear wrapping paper and tie it with satin ribbons. Dolly wants to bite the sweet present, but she overestimated Redhead's generosity. This candy is not a payback for hairdresser services. It's just a pocket mirror so that I can see how my hair looks in the back, and I will just say thank you to my friend. Some final touches and Redhead is ready to go out. Oops! Wait! She forgot something in her makeup bag. She looks for it in the drawer. Could this be magic? My makeup bag turned into a sweet cake pop. Take a round base for making Christmas tree toys. Hot glue a wooden stick to it. Paint the ball white. Use a sponge. Then apply pink acrylic paint. Hot glue decorative pom-poms when the paint is dry. Cover the entire ball. All of Redhead's favorite makeup fits into this funny cake pop. This sweet makeup bag is her favorite accessory now. And soft pom-poms are great to lift your mood. Dolly sighs sadly when she sees a commercial of her favorite mints. I wish I had some here. It's great that her friend has magic powers. Redhead's hand can make anything you want. Mints? Here you go! But Redhead's magic changed the taste of the mint slightly. Now there is eyeshadow inside the box. Take an old or broken eyeshadow palette and an empty candy box. Trace the bottom on cardboard and cut out a template. Cut a base out of foam rubber following the template. Cut the same rectangle out of dark felt. Put the foam rubber into the box, then wrapping paper and felt on top. Hot glue the eyeshadow. Dolly is very happy about this substitution. Eyeshadow in a candy box, straight from the screen? So creative! Let's see if Dolly can pull off the same trick. She'll shake everything out of this laptop. Attach double-sided tape to a cardboard tube. Print an Oreo wrapper and attach it to the tube. Cut the ends and fold them inside. Hot glue Velcro and a piece of ribbon. Roll black felt. Hot glue it inside the tube. Trace the diameter of the tube on felt. Cut out 2 circles. Print an Oreo cookie image. Cut it out and hot glue it to the felt. Cover one end of the tube with the cookie. Attach Velcro to the other felt circle. Hot glue the circle with Velcro to the ribbon and fasten the cookie image on top. The girls get a package of Oreos. Let's see if there are cookies inside. Seems like it. It's a brush case. It fell right from the browser. Online shopping delivery has never been so fast. We all have our own rituals after delicious lunch. I chew on bubblegum for better digestion, but my friend takes out her bubblegum for a different purpose. Clean an empty bubblegum tube thoroughly. Pour lip gloss into it. Take a tip off a lip gloss, clean it, and glue it into the tube. Additionally, fasten it with hot glue. I wasn't ready for that! My friend doesn't put her bubblegum into her mouth, she applies it onto her lips instead. You can tell who's a real fashionista here. Redhead wants to fix her makeup too. The most important thing is to not mix up the tubes, otherwise you can accidentally swallow some red lip gloss. The girls have their own beauty rituals. They are going to summon spirits at midnight during the new moon. This time they are lucky. The spirit appears and brings them a present. Is it actually candy? Cut a circle that is a bit bigger than EOS lip balm out of a magnetic sheet. Attach it to the bottom. Cover the lip balm with light brown clay on top. Shape it into a chocolate candy. Wait for the clay to dry and make a cut near the cap so that the lip balm can open. Wrap the candy with glittering gold decorative paper. Add a ribbon loop. Fasten the end of the paper with tape. The girls are amazed to get a present like this. To be honest, Dolly wanted some new makeup, but mirror spirits hear every request. There is a real EOS lip balm hiding inside this candy. Thanks for such an amazing gift! Their conversation is so exciting that the girls don't notice when they finish a whole bar of chocolate. They get rid of all traces quickly, but the package comes back to the owners all of a sudden, and there's a present inside. Mark 1.5-inch pieces on brown felt with a ruler. Draw lines and make a chocolate bar template. A main part and a slightly smaller one. Cut out 2 parts with scrapbooking scissors. Sew them together. Make stitches along the lines. Put pencils inside. Roll the case and put it into an empty Toblerone box. Redhead takes a roomy pencil case out instead of chocolate. How did it get here? The beauty gods must have made a present for the girls. A bar of chocolate with pencil filling. We have never tried that before. This pencil case is an amazing find. Dolly got hungry. What will she find in the fridge? Chocolate or healthy yogurt? Ha! Of course it's chocolate! Or maybe I should keep fit. Nope, I'll go for yogurt. It's decided, and I choose the healthy option. But one more question comes up. Who snuck mascara into my yogurt? Clean an empty yogurt bottle. Hot glue mascara inside. Attach a mascara cap to the bottle cap. Tear wrapping plastic foam into pieces and fill the bottle with it. Cover the mascara. It turns out that there aren't any healthy bacteria in this yogurt. But I'm not upset. I will apply mascara to my lashes, and I will have both yogurt and chocolate for lunch. Our friends have a tradition. They give each other Kinder chocolate eggs when they meet. But a real Kinder surprise is waiting for Redhead today. It's a case for storing whatever she likes. Take a clean Kinder Joy package. Wrap small makeup brushes and accessories into a ribbon. Mark the size of the loops you need. Cut off excess ribbon. Sew loops for a makeup bag. Hot glue the ribbon inside both parts of the container. Trace the container details on Velcro. Cut out and hot glue them. Stick brushes and accessories into the loops. Redhead is on cloud 9 with her present. Mini brushes and sponges fit into this tiny Kinder case. Now I won't lose them in my big makeup bag for sure. And Dolly shares some chocolate from the real Kinder with her friend. Did you like our candy makeup? Then write in the comments which dessert you would like to turn your beauty product into. Wafers, candies, or chocolate? And don't forget to give a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell so that you don't miss new sweet ideas on Troom Troom.